Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, the Nigerian narrative seems to be an endless stream of shock and alarm as we struggle to find where to place hope in within that country. So guys, I bring you this. Nigerian army reacts to Wike's oil bunkering allegation against General Saram. So Nigerian army reacts against Wike's oil bunkering allegation against General Saram. So Governor Wike, of course, of Rivers State is the person in question here. So here's the body of the story. The Nigerian army has reacted to claims by the Rivers State Governor Iansom Wike that the General Officer Commanding GOC 6th Division and Land Component Commander Operation Delta Safe Major General Jamil Saram was involved in oil bunkering in the state. Wike, who is at loggerheads with the Army General, made the allegations against Saram when he hosted a team of military personnel in his office last week. He alleged that Saram was promoting illegal bunkering in the Niger Delta region to enable him finance his ambition to be appointed the Chief of Army Staff. Reacting to the governor's allegation, Colonel Aminu Aliyasu, Deputy Director Army Public Relations, in the statement released, said the claims were false and a deliberate attempt, or a deliberate effort rather, to tarnish the towering image of the Chief of Army Staff and the GOC 6th Division. So now here's the statement that he issued. Recall that on the 22nd of February 2019, Governor Wike brazenly alleged that there was an attempt to exterminate his life by assassins organized by the GOC 6th Division. As weighty as the allegation was, we are yet to know any action taken by Mr. Wike that guarantees his safety. Mr. Wike has since failed to use civilized legitimate options to prove his allegations against General Saram. On the mischievous accusation against General Saram, leaking proceeds of State Security Council meetings to criminals in Rivers State, Mr. Wike knows well that Major General Saram is not a member of the Rivers State Security Council. Neither has he ever approached the gates of Rivers State Government House since his assumption of office as the GOC 6th Division. Mr. Wike only came face to face with General Saram on the 15th of January 2019 during the 2019 Armed Forces Remembrance Day parade at Isaac Borough Park. However, the Nigerian Army challenged Wike to provide the public with any evidence of such meetings with General Saram in attendance. Accordingly, Wike's allegation against Major General Saram's selfish involvement in illegal oil bunkering is another reckless, spurious, and mischievous accusation. Hence, the Headquarters 6th Division wished to request the governor to take the most civilized way of putting up a petition to the relevant authorities to make a point. Mr. Wike's resentment against the GOC is based on the latter's choice of professionalism and integrity over the billions of naira offered to him by the governor to compromise the 2019 general elections. His refusal to be bought over and the rejection of such hefty offer is the genesis of Wike's hatred and vociferous criticism against Major General Saram. Consequently, 6th Division Nigerian Army wished to reiterate its commitment to the protection of lives and properties, as well as the protection of critical national infrastructure in its area of responsibility for the benefit of the nation. The division wishes to also state that no amount of blackmail and area boy gerrymandering will affect its resolve and commitment to discharge its roles professionally and in line with the vision of the Chief of Army Staff, the statement reads. So that's the back and forth now between the Army Division stationed at Rivers State and Governor Wike. So Governor Wike has now come out to accuse the lead of that Army Division of oil bunkering, a real concerning crime within the Nigerian state, because of course you know that oil is the hub of the Nigerian economy, and oil bunkering is a real menace to the Nigerian state because we lose a lot of money to that particular activity. So, Governor Wike has now come out to boldly state within the public space that no less a figure as this lead person within that army structure is bunkering oil, and is then gone further to state that this guy is trying to accumulate money to vie for the position of Chief of Army Staff. So this is quite a weighty thing, and I'm not sure that Governor Wike would state this casually. So, and he's stating this as well against a very powerful person, because as you know, the army personnel, the army generals are fairly powerful within the Nigerian state, because it's a very strong presence that they have within the Nigerian structure. But then he has the immunity and the protection of his position, so he's used that now to make this statement. But why has he made this statement is the question. So really, intrigues going on in Rivers State. There's always intrigues going on in Rivers State, because that is the heartland of the Nigerian economy. But now this profound pronouncement has now been made by the governor of that state against a very prominent and a very important personnel within that state, and the army has now come out to issue a statement to deny and then to rebut. But then really it now behoves now this general to take civil action against the governor, because now he has besmirched his name. So he now has to go clear his name, and it's not just a matter of issuing a public statement to say, oh, I didn't do it. You have to go out then and clear your name, because a prominent figure has accused you of a high jinx within the Nigerian space. So you now have to go out and clear your name, is my reading of this. So conversations in the comment section. I'm inviting oil bunkering in Rivers State, Governor Wike, and leading army personnel. Those are the main characters, and that's the plot line. Now what says you? Before you come join me in the comment section to have a conversation though, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Click on the bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let's see what we're making of all this. So I'll leave you here and I'll meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.